Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna showcase my Discord.js version 14 ticket bot. So I just made this today, I made the whole bot in one day, so it's not that good, but yeah, like it's I will be adding more things day by day, and this is just a showcase of what now it could do. So let's get started. So you will find this Discord, like GitHub link in my Discord server. You can just join below and we will just inform you everything if you just join once. It's a very good community, and yeah, you just have to go into this channel and it will be updated here. You can join there, and also this community also has a code share where I share codes, so it's pretty like advantageable if you join here. So first of all, if you go on this repo, you just have to start here and just scroll down, and I will be just showing you for REPL because most people will be or hosting on REPL, and you can obviously replicate what I will be doing here. So I will be just going to REPL and import the repository. Then you can do two things. If you don't know how to get a MongoDB URL, you just have to click here and it will just give you my video. And besides, I've also given a testing MongoDB URL which is in the repo itself, so you just have to make it, enter your token, and that's it, the bot will run. Now you just have to copy the token on the Discord.dev website. I have made this, so you just have to wait for like 4 to 5 minutes and it will automatically import the repository. So after like 3 to 4 minutes it will show you this interface. So you just have to go on let me just see, you just have to go on secrets and just type token in full uppercase and just value of which you copied, obviously, or my token. So, and the second step, you just have to click on run. It would automatically do all the work. It would install all necessary modules and everything. Now let me show you its customization. So currently it's multi-guild and it will work in almost all servers, and you can customize three things. First of all, you can customize emoji, the giveaway, special, and general. I couldn't find any emote for general, so I just put a custom. It's not needed to change this because buttons support emojis that are not in their server, so yeah, you can just keep it like that. Now this will be the title of the embed, which will be the panel, and this will be the description. You can obviously change that. Now it's logged into the bot, I believe. Yes. So secondly, it will require these intents. It would require message content and server member. You can keep the presence intents off, that's not required. Okay, now it's connected to the bot. Now you can obviously run an express server if you want to ping it, keep it online. So you can run an express server. It will just say visa2Code security bot is working and something. So then we can go on my testing server. We can see the bot is online. Now it's only /commands. Okay, so secondly, the setup is pretty simple. You just have to run /tickets and ticket setup. It will give you 3 options. Now first we have needed to set the category. You can just copy the ticket category here and copy ID and just paste it here. It would automatically update the embed that this category is selected. Now then next you need to set the channel. I will just set up this channel. I will just paste this ID and automatically take this channel. Now we can specify the rules. I will just give mod and it would add the role. You can supply unlimited roles. I can give unlimited roles. And what if I want to remove a role? I can just click on set staff and I would enter the role which I want to remove again, and it will automatically detect if the role is there. It would automatically remove the role. Yeah, as you can see. Now let me just add the role back, because yeah, never mind. Yeah, the role is back. Now we can publish the panel. We can publish the panel in two ways, either buttons or select menu. I will show you both buttons. Let me show you for the buttons interface. Okay, and for the, let me just show you for the publish panel and select menus too, both. Yeah, so this is the buttons and this is the tickets, but they're the same options, just something different. Now I will just click on general and it will create the ticket in this category. I will just go here. Now this will be the interface. If I just click on close, it will close the ticket for me. And if I just open here, as you can see, the ticket is now created by the select menus. So yeah guys, this is my ticket spot for you. If you like the ticket bot, you can subscribe, like and comment, and yeah, thank you.